Hi, welcome to Math World with Carlemy C. Carminal. Today we're gonna learn about the real number system. First of all, what is a real number system? All numbers that may be represented on a number line are included in the real number system, including the rational and irrational numbers. Let's see what are the types of real numbers. We have the rational numbers, irrational numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. Definition of rational and irrational numbers. Rational. A rational number is any number that can be represented as a fraction with integers, while the irrational is any number that cannot be written as a fraction with whole numbers. Examples. Rational number. Square root of 144 and square root of 289. And in the irrational number is square root of 2 and square root of 12. If a number can be written or can be converted to PQ form, where P and Q are integers and Q is a non-zero number, then it is said to be rational, and if it cannot be written in this form, then it is irrational. Natural numbers. They are the numbers you're used to counting, and they go on indefinitely. Examples: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Natural numbers include all the whole numbers excluding the number 0. In other words, all natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural numbers. Whole numbers. A whole number is simply any positive numbers that does not include the fractional or decimal. Some examples are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and so on. A set of numbers that includes all positive integers and 0 is known as a whole number. Whole numbers are fraction, decimals, and negative values that are not included in real numbers. Whole numbers include counting numerals as well. Let's proceed to the integer. A whole and not a fractional number that can be positive, negative, or 0 is called an integer. Example is negative 5, negative 14, negative 7, and positive 9. An integer is a number that has only digits, no decimal point or radix point, and no extra operators or symbols regardless of whether or not it is not preceded by a plus or minus sign. If the only digits following decimal points are zeros, the value is still in an integer. Okay, so now let's have a short activity on what we discussed earlier. But before that, make sure to reduce background noises and distractions. Being able to turn out all external distractions when studying in a quiet area can help you generate significantly higher quality work. Studying in a low distract zone can definitely help you attain your academic goals more quickly and easily. Answer the activity 1 first. Subset of real numbers. Classify the real numbers to which subset or real number. Let us proceed to the activity 2. Fill the missing words. Are you done? Let's find out the answer keys. In activity 1, we have the irrational. In activity 1, we have the number 1 as irrational number, number 2 irrational number, number 3 integer, number 4 whole number, number 5 natural number. That's all. And in the activity 2, we have first as integers. Integers is a subset of real numbers that can be positive, negative, or 0. Number 2, we have the whole number. Counting numbers and 0 are called whole numbers. Number 3 is irrational numbers. The set of irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be expressed as a fraction. Number 4, we have the counting numbers or the natural numbers. Natural numbers are also called counting numbers. Number 5, we have the rational numbers. The subset of rational numbers include integers, whole, and counting numbers. Thank you for listening to this activity or lesson. Please do not hesitate to ask me if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye.